Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I love making flavored butter from scratch. I have a few different ones depending on which recipe they're for. I use my lemon basil butter for my holiday turkey. Tarragon butter is a great one for grilled fish. I enjoy spreading strawberry butter on my scones and croissants. Now, here's another one. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my garlic herb butter. This is an amazing recipe. The flavors are incredible and yes, you really taste the garlic. This is a delicious one to use on bread, inside pizza crust, or even a little slice of it on grilled steaks. So my friends, let's get cooking.
In a mixing bowl, we'll add butter, fresh chopped parsley, chopped chives, finely chopped rosemary, then lots of garlic, and freshly squeezed lemon juice. We'll combine the ingredients until very well blended. Next, we'll scoop the butter mixture onto the center of some wax paper. We'll gather the sides together to compact the butter. Then we'll fold one side over and form a log by curling our fingers under to tighten it up. Now, we'll roll it up to the other side and twist the ends tight, just like this, nice and neat. To prevent from opening up, we'll fold the ends under before transferring to the fridge until it hardens. And my friends, this is our garlic butter. Flavorful, easy to make, and versatile, this is a great condiment to have on hand. The bonus of making it from scratch is you can vary the amount of garlic and herbs to your liking or depending on your recipe. It's perfect for bread, seafood, steak, pasta, and so much more. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!